Hi guys, welcome to Isha Training Solutions, creating a new video on some of the issues that we are facing on WebTours. Some of my students were facing this issue, so I thought, I'll put it across on the YouTube. It might help a lot of students out there. By the way, this is Kumar Gupta, and you have any training needs on project implementations or any project supports or any of the performance testing tools or even the automation tools like Selenium, you can always call me, guys. So I do trainings on NeoLoad, JMeter, load runner, multiple protocols. Right now there is a training going on the True Client protocol as well. Anyways, coming back to the topic. Okay, so when you install this WebTours, okay, so basically you would have downloaded the WebTours and you have installed the Strawberry server and went there and you would have started the server. Okay, so let me start the server. So you have started the server starts fine, and you can ignore this message, this is of no use. Okay, this is of no effect, honestly speaking. So a lot of people are thinking that, because of there is an issue over here and because of which, the application is not working. That is actually not the reason. And when you're trying to access the application, this is the problem that you're facing. You see, the server encountered an internal error or misconfiguration and unable to complete your request. Please contact the server administrator admin at localhost and inform them of the time the error occurred and anything that you might have done that you would have caused this error. More information about the error may be available on the server logs. So I went to the server logs. There's not much information that is available. So if you go to the server logs, okay, so all it is saying is, like, if you go to the server logs at the bottom, all it is saying is could not open or start the child process, which is this one. Okay, so the child process cannot be started. Okay, so you see the system cannot find the file specified, cannot create the child process, which is welcome.pl. So this is not of much help, to be honest, to troubleshooting this error. So after basically doing some research, I figured out that the Strawberry server that you would have installed, okay, to access this application, okay, the Strawberry server, the bin directory of the Strawberry server needs to be added to your the properties. Okay, so first thing I want you to check is obviously if the Strawberry server is installed or not. Okay, so the Strawberry server should have been installed. You should be able to see this over here, but that's not enough. That's not enough. So what you need is, if you go to the properties, okay, the advanced system properties, and here the environment variables, the bin directory of the Strawberry should be there in the environment variables. Okay, so if you go back over here and you just say edit, okay, and try to check this try to check the environment variables, you see, so JRE, Java JRE is there. Okay, and then this is at least my system. It may not have to be in your system, but everything else is there except the Strawberry. There are certain things which are there except the bin directory of the Strawberry server. So what I will do now is I'll find out the Strawberry server bin directory. Typically it should be there in the C folder, and here if the Strawberry is installed, somewhere here it should show the Strawberry server over here, or it might be there in the program files or program files 86. But here for me it is there over here, which is in the C directory. So go to the Strawberry folder, go to the Perl, go to the bin directory, and here the bin directory needs to be added into this environment variables. So at the fag end you put a semicolon if it's not there and add it, the bin directory of the Strawberry server. Click on OK, make sure it is added. Now restart the server. Okay, so the server is already running, so I'm trying to close it. Now let me restart the server. Okay, not in the Strawberry server. Okay, so now start the server. Wonderful. So go back and try to access the application now. Disconnect. There you go, guys. The issue is with the environment variables. You have to add the Strawberry server to the environment variables, which I've already shown you. Wonderful, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it will help you solve your issues, and Thank you. And if you have any training needs, or you're a trainer, and one more thing, if you're a trainer of anything, maybe Selenium, maybe Microsoft VSTS, or any of the protocols that's out there, like SAP protocol in the load runner, or any technologies, okay, please contact me if you wanted to train, or you want to become a trainer, or you wanted to, or you're already a trainer and looking for an institute where you can work with. And in case if you want me to keep your name confidential, that can always be done. Don't worry about it. And yes, all you need to do is give a demo session to me and we can get started. Thank you guys.